Are you a property owner? Tired of taking calls from tenants at all hours of the day, hampering your personal life, and worse yet, impeding your ability to do other projects that can generate more income? And what about the endless torrent of bills? Managing vendors, making repairs, preparing leases, researching how to handle complicated situations, and worrying about your risk and lost opportunity cost? What if you could avoid all of this by using a company that can help pay for itself by collecting, negotiating, and leasing for more rent, that stays educated and makes knowledgeable and informed decisions to protect your best interests, that protects you from vendor fraud and hires the best contractors? LREI Property Management LLC is here to do just that. We can help pay for ourselves by maintaining and advertising to lists of prospective tenants, thereby increasing demand and garnering higher rental rates. We use our purchasing power to negotiate down vendor pricing, keeping costs reasonable and demanding quality work using durable materials. Landlording is a tough business. Learning on the job is costly. We have already made the mistakes and learned the best methods. With our ability to get more rent and avoid costly interruptions, it costs you next to nothing to hand over your investment to a professional property management company. Let us use our systems to minimize your risk and bring you the best return on your investment. Time is your most valuable asset, so let us give it back to you. Give us a call or email us today so we can help you get back to doing what you love.